Let me show you how I bedazzled this pink lid with the Conversation Heart resin pieces. You're gonna need a pink lid, or you can make your own pink lid with spray paint. These are the Conversation Heart resin pieces. They're so cute. You're gonna need liquid fusion glue and the precision tip bottle that you put the glue in, a wax pencil, 5M size pink rhinestones, because saying the lid, we want our rhinestones to stick to the surface better, to have like a grip, and you wipe it down with alcohol. We're gonna first do the sides of the lid. It's easier this way for me because you don't have to physically touch the sides while you bedazzle the top of the lid. You can just lay it flat while that dries. And I'm using a size 5M rhinestone in pink. I believe it's like a light rose pink, but I'm just gonna go and I'm using the honeycomb pattern, which I'm placing one rhinestone in between every 2 rhinestones. And I'm gonna do this until I meet on the other side of the lid where I started. Now, I noticed that I do get a question in my shorts feed about the wax pencil and how to use it. It's so simple, like so simple. All you do is tap the rhinestone that's at the bottom and you place it onto your lid or your surface. In this case, it's my lid where the glue is, and it just sticks. There's nothing special. I'm literally just tapping it with the top of the pencil and I'm placing it on the lid with the glue. That's all. There's not much to it, just a slight tap. But here is how the sides turn out, and I'm gonna lay it flat while I bedazzle the top of the lid. For the top of the lid, I'm just gonna go around in a circle. I'm still only using a size 5M rhinestone, and that's really all you need for this project. If you place your stones correctly and adjust accordingly, there shouldn't be any problems with just one size rhinestone. Now, if you feel like you want to go back in and make a little bit of filler stones, like a 2M closer to where the hearts are, you're more than welcome to, but it's not required. So I'm just doing that here, and I did 3 rows before I applied the little resin pieces. For the resin pieces, I did use the regular same glue, liquid fusion, and I placed it there like kind of on an angle. I like to give it a little, dimension in a way. I picked Be Mine and Kiss Me. I thought it was cute, but it comes with like 4 different ones. I think one says miss you and one says love you. For the most part, just Valentine's Day themed. So I'm applying my rhinestones. I'm going in rows, but I'm making sure that I do the opposite row as well so that it comes out even. And you can see here, like, even though I'm only using a 5M rhinestone, it still works. And if it doesn't work, say you have like a little extra space, you're more than welcome to go back and adjust the rhinestones to space them out, just so that you don't have to use like a filler stone. I feel like you really shouldn't have to if you place your rhinestones correctly, but that's just me. Save you some time and use the 5M only. It turns out pretty good. Even here, I thought I was like gonna have to use a filler stone, maybe like 3M, but it actually kind of worked out okay. I guess the placement of the resin pieces and the rhinestones worked out in my favor. But for the most part, look at it. Look how it turned out. Perfect. And thanks again for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Bedazzled content.